Pictures don't do it justice. When you see it like this and wild.
It's the master suite. It's the bathroom. It's the lounge. And the stateroom. It's beautiful. The Lamborghini steering wheel also.
Rick Ross showing off that damn Lamborghini yacht. That thing look pretty, don't it? Oh yeah. That thing is nice. Yeah, if I had the money, I don't think I'll spend it. You know, I don't think I'll spend it on that yacht though. I know that motherfucker probably $1 million. But it is pretty though. I'll probably rent it, but I wouldn't buy one. But yeah, you know, the millionaires though, they could do that. You know what I mean? Maybe if I had a billion or something, maybe I probably would splurge on one. But just with a few million, I don't think I'll mess with it, because I know that thing is probably crazy expensive. But it is so beautiful though. Yeah, that's a pretty boat, boy. Sure can have some nice parties on that motherfucker, boy. Nice parties, boy. Go out on the yacht, on the Lambo yacht. You know what I mean? Get naked. Have some fun on that motherfucker right there, boy. Ooh-wee. That's that $1 million life right there. It's that rich life. That chosen one life.